how to format text in LaTeX. So in order to format text in LaTeX, there's a few very helpful commands that we can use. For bold text, we can use the textbf command, and there's a shortcut for this. It's Control-B. For italic text, there's also a shortcut which is Control-I, which is the shortcut for the textit command. To underline text, we use the command underline, followed by the text that we wish to be underlined in curly braces. We can also easily switch to typewriter font by using the texttt command, TT being short for typewriter. And there's also a similar command for writing text in sans-serif font, which is the textsf command. As well as this, we have textsc for writing our text in small capital font. If we wish to just write the text in normal capital, we just write the LaTeX code in normal capital. And also there's a command called text-or-m, which will write our text in Roman modern font, which is the default font in LaTeX. And now we can see in our output, we have bold text, italic text, underlined text, text written in typewriter font, text written in sans-serif font, a small capital and normal capital. And we can see the difference there is that the lowercase letters in small capital are written in a slightly smaller font size than normal capital text. And our bottom one is Roman modern text, which is actually the same as the default text, which we have written below. Now, the place where people normally run into issue with these commands is when you try and combine them. So say here, if we want to write text which is bold and small capital, I can use the textbf command, and then within the textbf command, I nest the textsc command. And similarly, if I wanted to write text as bold and italic, I can use the textbf command, and then I can nest the textit command within that command to write text in bold and italic. But there is an issue. When we build and run this code, we see that the bold italic has in fact worked, but the bold small capital text hasn't worked. And sometimes you'll find that these commands don't work in combo, and that is simply because that the combination isn't defined for the default font. So to overcome this issue, all you have to do is use a package that allows you to select a different font. And here I'll use the font spec package, which gives me access to a command called set main font. And then I pass as an argument to this command the name of the font that I wish to use. So I'm going to enter Times New Roman. And if I rebuild this, that will change my default font to Times New Roman. And we can also see here that the combination of textbf and text small capital now works completely fine.